Alrighty, we are live. Let's get this going here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, time to get to work. Let's get the link sent out and we'll be ready to rock here. We're on YouTube. Let's get there. All right. Link to the live. Good morning to everyone who is watching the replay or watching right now. Send this out. Go. All right. Got a little bit of a divergence here. Mark these. All right, so we'll try to be a little bit more diligent today with some of our trades, but we'll still have a lot of fun. So let's get to work. Okay, another short signal here. We'll wait for that one. Let's see. All right. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream, but also let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you guys are watching from. What the hell? There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. It's a bad signal. Okay, that long is gone. It's no fun. Why are we getting different signals here? To get one, that's a bad one. All right, well, we'll keep it. We'll figure it out as we go. Okay, great. Let's do this as well. All right. No trades yet. Actually, did we take a trade in this one? Yeah, we're at 55 bucks. Sorry, we're at 55 bucks. Took a, I think I took a trade early just to see, make sure my account was good. Okay, ChatGPT, I actually see what you're going after here. I get it. New signal here in about 13 seconds. Got two sell signals. Let's go sell right there with the stop. Nice. Okay, about 80 bucks on that one. Not great, but up $111 for today. Okay. So good signal for you both. I'm sorry. Yes. Good signal there. All right. Okay. A little delayed here. Long and short, we'll wait. Let's just see. All right. Let's go here. Oh, here we go. Sorry guys, I missed everything. D-Loot, what's going on? Krishna, what's popping? All right, new signal here. Let's see what we got coming up. I've got a long signal. I'll take that right there. Stop. Just see what happens here. Stop's a little too tight. Oops, there we go. Nice. All right, solid there. We're up $207 for today. Not bad. Nice signal there. Small victory. Again, if we get price to really run, then we'll be able to capture more. But, excuse me, if price is going to just jump around, then won't be a whole lot for us to do. Holy Earth, what's going on? Rami, not to forget about you, my friend. Have a question. Is there like a machine learning model, learn patterns? 5-star, yes. Boise, Idaho, nice. Started the first week per indicator. How much is it after the week is set up? 1 second, Caliper, I will answer that question in just a moment. Let's see if we can get ourselves a nice little trade here. Okay. Sure, I don't understand why it's giving me, let's go long right there. Get back some of this profit, huh? Trailing this loss, jumped in way too late. I don't know why I got 2 divergent signals there. That was a little weird. Get your ass up there. All right, we're up 1 or up $87 for today. Shit. Boise just started first week of predicted indicator. How much is it after the week? $4.99 Caliper. Morning, Remy. I do read comments. 5-star. Yes, sir, I do. Certainly do. All right. New signal here. Long. Let's go buy right there. Don't love that spot. Let's see what happens with it though. Right there is my stop. Oof, taken out. We're down 86 bucks. I think we lost 186 bucks on that one. All right. A little choppy there. Probably waited a little bit too. That's kind of what I was thinking I'd get. Not as much drawdown. So let's go bad. Unless the thing rockets up to bad to start. You were also a bad one. Bad as well. It went terrible, but it wasn't great. All right, 40 seconds till next trade. I do certainly read the comments. Buddy, 5-star, it literally says ChatGPT. It says ChatGPT, my friend. I'll explain the rest in a minute. Okay. Why am I getting a short signal? I don't love that. Okay, I'll take it just because ChatGPT, the 1 minute and 2 minute agree, but I don't love the idea of taking a short right here at all. Huh. No and no. Okay, interesting. Let's go here really fast. All right. Why the fuck would we give me a short? 1 minute. It's weird. All right. Bizarre. We'll figure it out though. I guess maybe I kind of see what it was going for, but huh. Yeah, I don't know. Not the best of signals there. Were we down 4? That's not bad. All right. 15. I got myself another sell signal. All right, so let's see if it was just early. Let's see what happens here. And we want to see price run. There we go. Move a little bit. Nice. Very good. All right. It's a little better. Good. Okay. Down to 114. Super solid trade there. About 150 bucks. Finally, a decent little runner. Not much, but something. Not much. Okay, now I get ChatGPT was just a little early. I get it. I apologize, ChatGPT. Um, yeah, 5 stars. So 1 second here. Let me see what we have here first. Long? What? Really? Short? Give me the short over the long. I don't like that they're conflicted at all, but I'll take the short. Nice. Okay. Nice. Up 300. Keep going here. All right, ChatGPT, you're a fucking monster. My apologies. My sincerest apologies, ChatGPT. You know exactly what you're talking about. I get it. I get it. I get it. All right. Good trade there. 5 star. Good morning, Big B. One eye. What's good? 17. Another short signal here. Let's wait a second. Let price kind of figure itself out first. And then we'll take a short. Small wing there. We're up 196. Okay, not the best signal in the world, but I get what it was. I get what it was giving me. Um, I know, Rami. I know. I know. Kevin, what's good? Kevin, where are you located, my friend? Afternoon. Where are you located? 1 second here. We will get another signal here. We should get two short, and I have two shorts here. Okay, so let's wait for price to settle down a bit, and then we'll go short. So sell right there. Might have been a little early. Let's find out. Stop is right above candle high. Okay, release the stop. Another, I think we lost commission on that one. Fuck, because we could have made a lot more on that one. I don't love that. I don't love that. Hell of a trade signaled, or we executed the trade really well. We executed the trade really well. We just messed it up. That stinks. That really stinks because we had a chance at making some decent money there, and I let I was way too conservative on my stop. That'll happen. That'll happen. I'll answer some questions here in a second. Let's keep going here though. 19 should be a short, kind of the same thing we've had the past like few candles. So let's see if we can time this up right. Waiting. Okay. We'll stop right there. Short and then stop. Basically, ChatGPT has been wrong on all of these candles, but I've learned how to use this thing, and so got a much better understanding of it. That's fine. I'll take that. We're up 217. I'll take that. All right. So not a great one there. But if we let price run up for a second, especially when we have, so when we get a short signal like this, we have a bunch of shorts in a row, which you guys can only see. All right. We have a bunch of shorts in a row like this, like this. Even when price does open up and run away, we want to wait a second and then just let price figure out where it wants to top. And then once it starts chunking back down like we've just seen, then we can go ahead and jump into these trades. Let me answer some questions though. Scotland, nice. 2 p.m. here. All right, my friend. Happy to have you all the way in Scotland, Kevin. Happy to have you. Let's see another short signal here. We'll wait a second. We'll just chill for a moment. Five-star asked. So 5-star, what we're doing, and you can't see it right now, but what will end up happening is we will basically we're logging all of these different signals. They're on a database, and then eventually, hopefully by the end of this week, we'll have some more machine learning. We'll actually have we'll use a different model, not ChatGPT, to go ahead and start taking trades with it. but it'll only be learning from the trades that I'm taking here and grading here. So ideally, it will give us, excuse me, my goal will be for it to just at the beginning, just be a little shittier than ChatGPT is right now, but over time get better. All right, I've got myself another short signal here. I don't understand these. Okay, we'll sell it though anyway. See what happens. We get burnt on these a lot. Let's just see if we can avoid this one. Okay. Stop is set. This one's tricky. See if we can get price to run down for us. There we go. Prices are just like kind of jumping. So that's no fun. That was close. We're out. All right, we're up 333 right now. Okay, ChatGPT, I see your vision. Another sell right here. Stop, placed, and we're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. Nice. Okay, we're up 564. Really nice. About 20 minutes. That was a crazy wick right there. Holy cow. So good, bad. All right, new signal coming here. Scotland, nice. So we will have a new model that comes, hopefully at the end of the week, that will be a, sorry, I got a weird email. What is that? We should have some machine learning coming through, and that will be awesome for us, I think. So again, the goal will be for it not to be like super exceptional up front. I know it won't be as good as ChatGPT at the beginning. Gave back a bit of profit there. Let's wait to see this one. I think it's gonna be bad. But if we can get it to be like 80% of the way where ChatGPT is, then that's going to be really good progress because eventually, over the next week or so, um, that'll lend itself to being super positive for us because it will get better. So if we can get it to be near what ChatGPT is giving us right now, which again I don't feel like is good enough, but it's solid, um, then we're going to be in good shape. If it's terrible, then like that would be no fun and I'd be pissed. I'll be in a really bad mood on Thursday. How about that? And I think it'll probably be deployed late Thursday, so probably Friday will be the first day I'll have to be able to trade it. So, all right, new signal coming in 3, 2, 1. Long, wow. Okay, long and short. So sell right there. Stop. I'll take the short on this one. Okay, wasn't able to place it. Looking to place that stop, baby. Come on. Price is moving crazy right now. There we go. Get some of that money back. We're up 480. The price is moving super fast right now. I have a feeling we are trying to get ourselves closer to VWAP. MSTR down crazy big. I saw a huge put taken on that. What else where my treasuries at? Meta Facebook. Move. Got a sell signal here. Wait for it to figure out where it wants to stop, and then we'll take it. Sell, stop. Holy cow. This is awesome. Boom. Puts us up 811. Really good trade right there. That was $400 there. That's our best one so far. Okay. Nice. Puts us up $1,000. Really good. Another short there. Awesome. So $300. Good stuff there. Okay, we're really having ourselves a nice little morning here. It's about $1,000 in 20 minutes. It's good. Keep going. Yeah, obviously. So today my approach is a little different than it was the past couple of days. What I want to do today is try to match up my 2-minute chart a little bit more. I want those signals so every 2 minutes on even numbers, so 28, or 26, 27. Let's see what we got here. 27. We're gonna let price kind of dance for a little bit. Oh shoot, and 2 on this one. Okay. Good trade there. It's a little hectic actually. Okay, we're up $1,200 here. Another good trade there. The goal is to match up some of these even numbers. So when it's 26 and 27, if 20, let's say I have two 26s that are sells. Okay, great trades there. We want to go short. If I have like a mixing of the two signals, that I want to be patient and wait. And the reason I want to do that is in case we're in choppiness and I don't know it yet, I need to be able to I need to have a reason to not take some of these trades. Let's go sell right there, stop. Let's go. I mean, we are just selling off like crazy. Awesome. Awesome. Puts us up $1,400. Okay, super solid. All right, we'll take maybe one more trade in this account. We'll flip over to the next one. This one could be a little dicey because I got in a little bit late. Let's see. Nope, no dicey at all. All right, good. 1480. All right, we'll call it a good day for that one. 80 and 24 minutes. All right. Okay, nice sell off there. All right, let's jump to a different account here, our 8-1 account, and we'll get this one going here. Good signal there. All right, so 1480 in that first. We'll keep going here. Let me figure out what account 882. We'll go back and visit the performance there really fast after we get priced to chill out for a little bit. Okay, another sell. Go stop right there. There we go. Good. 180 on that one. Nice. little easier for us to just take these. I mean, price is just running down here, so this is going to be, these are just shooting fish in a barrel. This is so easy. This is just easiness for us. Let's keep it going here. New signal. Still short, I assume. Stop right there. I might have been a little early on this one. I'm gonna kick myself for this one. I'm early. I'm too early. I am too early for this one. Shoot. Probably should have jumped in like right there. I don't know where this is gonna take me, but it ain't gonna be good. Yeah, we're down at 70 something, $60. Okay. Yeah, too early on that signal there. Probably should have waited for price to push up like it is, and then we would get kind of like a sell like right there. Like this makes way more sense to me. Small victory, like $1. Fuck, because we had way more. Damn it. I knew it. That was the second time I've done that on that type of trade. Second time it's happened to me. Damn it. All right, long and short. I'll take the long on this one. Or the short on this one, sorry. Bad decision, it appears. Let's see. Yeah. All right, we're down 272. We got a battle back. All right, we'll let price kind of figure itself out here. Let's go back to other account and look at the performance this morning. Let's go here and here, and we'll just make our screen really big. Actually, we don't need to do that, I don't think. All right, 21 trades, 16 wins. Super solid there, 5 losses. Our biggest win was that 335, which felt way larger. That's interesting. Biggest loss was 185, and that gave us a 76% win rate. So we'll grab a picture of this really fast. And then we'll jump back into our regular scheduled programming here. Throw this one in the chat, and we'll keep it going. Okay. DM time. That's my guy Chaz. Give Chaz a follow if you aren't already. He's got a massive, massive platform. He does great work. And 24 minutes. Okay. Move you back over, back to the chart. All right, we didn't miss much, did we? Cool. New signal in about 10 seconds. I got a short signal here, and I got 2 shorts. I'll sell right there. Let's just see if the signal can work out for us. I want to place you, but I can't if it's too tight. There we go. Boom. Puts us back down 111, so we're doing okay there. Good. That's a great. It's a great signal, ChatGPT. It's an excellent signal. Thanks, McB. Going to create a Discord. Isaac, I don't know. To be honest with you, I'm not a huge Discord guy. It's not really my thing. Should have waited on this signal a little bit. But maybe my assumption would be that, damn. My assumption would be we're back down to 315. Here, trade that one back. Or now we're in a little bit of a choppiness area here. We're at VWAP. I should have known that. I wouldn't have done anything different, but there and there. I'm gonna close some of these tabs out. 1, 2 at least. All right, that's fine. I'm going to create a Discord. So I'm not a huge Discord guy. It's not really for me. A couple things I don't like. I don't love chatting with people whose names I don't know. Um, so that's one. Like I don't love all the usernames. That's annoying to me. You guys know my name. I should know yours. One, two. There's just a lot of nonsense in Discord. Like I think it encourages a lot of just chatting, which is fine. But I don't really like. There shouldn't be a whole lot to talk about outside of trading. And so I don't know, I don't love that either. I don't know. Discord just doesn't really fit kind of what how I like to do things. Not saying it's bad, it just doesn't fit for me. What I'd rather do is once this is live and ready to rock and roll, is have just like a community where it's mostly text. We all know each other's names. So like a Instagram group message is fine. I'm thinking like a school community maybe, something like that where you would have access to all of this. And then if we needed to chat or if I needed to give updates, I could. It'd be very centralized. I think that makes the most sense. Or like a Facebook group, something like that. Um, but because we have price moving, let's see if price can hold here. Um, so that 19,700 level is an even level. Always remember that. Oof, good. Like what we're seeing here. So ChatGPT was on time, just a little late, or just a little early for us. So sell right there, stop. See if price can run for us. And by run, I mean run in my direction. Man, we've had a couple bad entries in a row here, so I got to tighten that up. Okay. Good. About 100 bucks there. So we've bounced at this level twice now. So we bounced at this level right here a couple times. This level where we were kind of bouncing is at that even 19,700. You know price is going to be very, very sticky to that. We have VWAP right here too. So it doesn't help that we've got VWAP and we've got this even number for price. So let's see what we want to get out of this here. We'll keep it rolling. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to go short here. ChatGPT liked the short on the 2 minute and the 1 minute. It might be early, but let's just see. Uh, yeah, we're trading this one down kind of obnoxiously actually. We got to lock back in. Not bad. All right, we'll let price escape out of here first. Mark, sometimes it just runs right through it. Sometimes VWAP is a great support or resistance. Sometimes it's going to tell us what our trend is going to be. Sometimes price does not care about VWAP and it just slices through it, kind of like right here. Slice down, back up, slice through, back up. So anytime you get price violating VWAP, it gets a little tough. Gets a little tough. Call that one good until it isn't. Not taking this trade. We'll just wait. Let's see if we can get price to extend away from VWAP first. Then if we can, we'll take the next trade. Yeah, thanks, Mark. It's not that hard. I just need to go create an alert and it'd be there. So Kyle, that should never be the case. I don't know why that's the case. VWAP should be the exact same on every single chart. So keep me up to date on that. You should not be experiencing two different VWAPs. They should be the exact same. That's why it's so useful. So let me know. Yeah, good try, Mark. It's just an alert. All I have to do is create an alert. These are just webhooks. I don't need to make anything. I don't need any help doing that. Good try that, my friend. All right, let's see what we got. Long signal here. We'll buy right there. Could be a little early, so let's just see. Super early. Down 523 in this account. All right, price is kind of chilling. Oh, I see why. Okay. What are you reading that? Wait, oh, wait. Yeah, I'm not sure what that's about. Kyle, is it off a lot or just a little? You have to let me know because that's really interesting. Really, really interesting. Okay. Keep it moving here. Long. Oh, I'll wait. Let's go buy right there. See if this can work out for me. I thought price would do what it's done before, which is test down, roll up, and then skyrocket. I don't know that we have enough volume to get that done on this end. We'll trail it pretty tight here. Yeah, we're out. Okay, down 650. We'll lock back in here. Long and short. Give me the short on this one. I'll take the 1 minute short over the 2 minute long. We're really chopping here, so we're really chopping here. We got to lock in too because we done $700. We only have $300 left we have $250 left of leverage here, so we got to have room margin. So we got to be patient. Fuck, bad. All these are bad. So what we want to get, actually, this one's really good. It just took. It was too. It was too quick on this one. Should have been a little more patient. That'd have been helpful. That'd have been helpful. Completely different. Oh wow. Yeah. That's interesting, Kyle. I've never seen that before. Maybe it's two different VWAPs. Best guess. I'm not sure. Um, I am not sure, my friend. Well, that kind of just pissed me off because why are we getting our ass kicked here? That should not be the case. All right. What do you do here? Got another sell signal here. Right there. Stop. Okay, I'll back off for a second. Jeez. Damn. We are not doing great in this one. We are letting price get to us and we shouldn't be. All right, so kind of my high right there, and then we'll delete this one for now. We always do this. We do well in one account, hope to another account, and then we just do poorly. And I don't know what that is, but I'm annoyed. All right. Again, always room for improvement. We'll wait for price to bounce out of here and keep it going. I've got a sell signal at 44. I'm going to call these bad for now until price does something different. So right now, ChatGPT is looking for these reversals, which I totally get, but I don't know that we've got enough juice to get that done. So, okay. I don't love that it's looking for these reversals right now, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay. I have like no room in here, so I gotta be quick. We gotta be accurate. Otherwise, we're gonna have to jump into a new account, which is fine. Okay. New signal here. Coming in just a few seconds. Got myself a long. Yeah, we hit our stop. That was pretty quick. Got our ass whooped in that one. All right. I actually still don't mind this signal. It just has to move for us a little bit more. Bad signal. Yeah, $50 is nothing for one NQ contract, by the way. Like that's not going to be anything. There's no space there. All right. For what, $400 for today? Okay. Not great. Not terrible, but not great. So good start to the morning, and then we kind of traded back down a little bit. So we gotta get it going here again. Lock back in. All right, so about a second here. New signal says long. Both of these say long with no confidence. Well, lower confidence, but okay. I'll wait. Here's kind of, oh wow, here's price kind of doing its thing. So top here, kind of the bottom right there, hovering at VWAP. I think if I just didn't trade around VWAP, I'd be in really good shape. I'd say that. I'd be in really good shape here. Okay. All right, we'll just wait. Okay. New signal short here. Okay. So we're shopping between about 30 points. ATR kind of dove off a cliff. We're at 19 now, which isn't terrible. If we get below like 10, maybe we could take like 2. I don't know if we would get there today, but we could. The markets are barely hanging on to green. MSTR is getting its ass whipped per usual. Roku is flat. AMD is up. Tesla's getting its ass blasted. Okay. Tesla's got some headwinds ahead of it, I'll tell you that. Doesn't matter if you like Elon or not. Um, they got a lot going on. Hopefully they can get together. Ty, what's going on, my friend? What's good? We're just waiting for price to get out of this little zone and we'll take some more trades. Waiting for price to get the hell out of here. And we'll have some more trades going. So got to be patient. We want to be a little bit more patient here, especially now we know we have price chopping. Again, it's hard to know if price is actually chopping or not, but typically if I get 2 bad trades in a row and price moved against me, not like I set my stop wrong and price just, moved a little bit, but more like I went short and price ended up going long. When that's the case, I know like, okay, maybe we're probably looking at some choppiness here. And so we kind of had an idea kind of right down here. And then price never really gave us much after that. So we'll see. In theory, we want lower confidence scores when price is chopping, kind of like it is right now. Like lower confidence scores in here. And then as price begins to move, hopefully we can get some higher confidence scores and we can take those. So let's just see what we get here. So 51, I have a short. I'll take that. We'll sell right there. Okay, good. Moving a little bit. Nice. There we go. Boom. Up 215 in this account. Good start. So good. Little confidence. I don't know what it was. Nice little confidence score. So if we're sitting around that 50, 75% or so, that's going to give me the confidence that, no pun intended, that we would need to take these trades, which that was a really good one. Even though price pulled back on us, it's a really good trade. Still kind of in our choppiness, but we borderline touch VWAP, so that's interesting. Let's see what we have here. If we get another confidence score, we can take it. 70 and 65. Okay. So not if I'm feeling the love here. I'm sure this thing could run down, but I'll wait. We'll wait for it. No doubt when I appreciate the people, talk to them. Ty, how you doing, my friend? How you living, Ty? Ty is massive on TikTok. How's your Twitch going? Is that right, Twitch? I know your TikTok's huge. TikTok is massive. Can the folks find you on TikTok with that with your username here? Con Flag Raider? Can they find you with that? If you guys can, go follow the boy. That was my dog. It really is. There's not much else to say. He's just my guy. Short. So let's wait for price to settle down here. And then we'll take it. Sell. Stop. All right. Let's see if I was a little early to this settle down or if I'm right on top of it. Was not right on top of it at all. Holy cow. We're up 16 bucks. Okay. Bad signal there. I want to see if we needed to wait a little bit. Like I thought, I was probably a little early on that one. I'm trying to figure out like where that top was. So then if we hit it and we wrote it down, we could try and capture just a ton of profit. But we weren't able to get that. I tried it, it didn't work, but we tried it. Washed L streamer. I don't know about all that. I think I saw you guys win the other day. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure I saw you guys win. I saw you win. Your teammate was ass. These little kids. Short. I'll take it. Let's see what happens here. I'm interested to see if price can roll down for us even further. There it is. Boom. Good. Boom. All right, we're up 230 again. Nice little trade there. We could have had a lot more on that one. Hell of a signal by ChatGPT, by the way. Like, that's money. Could have had ourselves a nice, much larger gain there, but okay, that's fine. That's fine. New signal here in 2 seconds. Not too concerned about VWAP right now. We're just going to trade the signals as we get them. Now, this is a long with a low confidence score, so I'm going to wait. I think for today, what might make more sense is just us looking at the confidence scores and giving them a little bit more credence than we have in the past. You are welcome, my friend. You're a beast, brother. Support you in everything you do. Man, all right. So here's our distribution of signals, by the way. Oh, wow. Horrible signal. What in the world were you reading, dog? All right, now we're well below VWAP, but we are kind of sitting at this spot right here. We've tested the hell out of that spot. And so let's see what kind of the next candles can do with it. I don't know. Then we'll wait. So we'll watch signals from here, but let's see what happens. That's the way it goes. When you're making 100K a day streaming, brother, I'll be right there. I used to know that guy. Kick me out of the chat, probably. That's how it works. It's the game. The Kentucky legend. The big K. All right, that's a bad signal. You're a decent signal. All right, let's keep going here. If we get the Fed to drop rates 3 times this year, that'd be crazy. That would be crazy. Markets are officially red for today. Good. Let's see if we can get another short. I'm nervous about this stop, this support level right here at 675. And the reason for it is prices bounced there 4 times now. And so I don't know if it's going to be a fool's errand short into that. You know what I mean? We've got a lower confidence score here. I'll take it and I'll keep a tight stop. Let's just see what happens. Previous candle high is kind of my spot. If price hits it, it hits it. We're profitable. We weren't. We weren't. You've got to move for there we go, for me to even respect. Oh, wow. You see how close we were to our stop? That was close. All right, we're up 272 in this account. Okay, I'm doing much better here. Much better. Price starts turning here. It will morning form a potential double bottom, like I mentioned before. Mark, you mentioned a double bottom before as well at VWAP. This is why I don't typically look at price action as dogmatically as others do, because I know I can be wrong, obviously. We have a short signal here. Let's go ahead and take that. We could be early on this one, which would be very disappointing, but let's see. This price, I don't want my stop to get hit too soon, but that might have been all we could have there. Yeah. Nice. Out of the trade, we're up 313. Not a whole lot to get here, not yet. I like my confidence scores being where they are. That's good. You're a better short than long, that's for sure. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so guys, I don't take too much into consideration to make money. Ty, you mean make money streaming? Help me understand. I don't take too much into consideration when it comes to price action in the different formations, only because everybody can kind of see these things. Let's just see if we can catch some profit here on this little short. See if we can get price to run down for us. Might not be able to, but if we can, that'd be cool. All right, we're up 160. It's fine. Messed that one up. Actually, let's just see what that one turns into be. The reason that I don't look at price action or double bottoms, double tops like everybody else does is because everybody else does it. And so if you can see it, I can see it. If we can all see it, then it almost is almost inefficient. Like it doesn't make sense. If everybody has access to the same information, the person with the most money is going to win, not necessarily the person with the best strategy. And so that to me is ultimately why I don't just buy into specific price patterns or specific anything. Like there's no such thing as like this thing works 100% of the time. I don't know. I don't know how else to really describe it other than that. It's just there's no way that the same things can continue to work if everybody knows exactly what's going on. Does that make sense? It's not necessarily like a hating thing. I'm not like trying to be negative. My point is that there's not a whole lot of edge when you're competing with people, especially trading futures is for big money. It's not for small money. Trading futures is for people with a lot of money. That's why we use prop firms, because they give us access to these large accounts. And they only let us blow up about 2% of them. 2% drawdown. trading futures is for big money. And so it's very easy to see, okay, we got a double top or double bottom somewhere. We should go long off of this or we should go short. Everybody knows that. Here's a double bottom and we went short into it again. And we even pushed past a little bit. Then we reversed that back to VWAP. Then we pushed back off of it. And so I always think about your strategy as like, it's probably going to work, but if it doesn't work, like that's okay too. It's probably going to work, but don't look at it as it's going to work 100% of the time, because that's how you get smoked. 68% confidence score here. Not in love with it. I'd probably prefer a long over a short here, but a short's a better signal so far. I'll flip it over if it's not. All these are bad. So that's awesome. If you, hey, brother, if you're making money, you're making money. That's great. You're making money, dude. That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay. Let's see what we got. Price just kind of chilling. We'll wait. Okay, there's price dumping off. ChatGPT likes a short here. Good. Going back to these bottoms here, let's just see what price wants to do. Okay. I don't like that VWAP is flat. I don't like that at all. I don't love that. If you guys are new around here, make sure you subscribe. Happy to have you here. Gonna continue to build this thing as you guys watch. Well, you guys are watching me build it, I guess. But we're gonna get it going. Get it going. Let's see. Okay, so price violates our low, but doesn't do much with it. So that's, I mean, it's a good signal. Good God, great signal, but we don't get much from it. Okay. Let's see how the AI wants to read this. How are you gonna read this here? You think what? A short? Okay. Me too then. I'm gonna wait. Okay, let's see if I caught that right. Almost. Again, you can slide your trail as long as you don't take your finger off the button, you're good. So you can slide all around if you want, whatever you want to do. But you have to release it for it to start and count. So just keep that in mind. There we go. That's a hell of a signal, GPT. Great work. See if we can get lower than our low. We did. Trail goes below that. Man, we're flying. We're flying. Price is doing discovery. Boom. Sell signal there. Stop. Let's see if we can get price to run for us. Will you cooperate for us? Just a little bit. I don't love this one. This is not the best trade. Let's see if we can get price to do something nice for us. Of course not. Why would we expect price to do something nice for us? That sucks. Okay. Up 400 bucks in this account. Good. Why the hell would you give me a long? Actually, sorry. You're right. Damn it. I don't like that the AI is as good as it is already. It's kind of pissing me off because the way I see shit is different than the way it sees it. And it's obviously it's more right than I am. And I don't like being outsmarted by some shit I made. I don't love that. But put the ego aside. We got money to make. Got money to make. All right. Let's see. We got another signal here. I've got a short with a pretty high degree of confidence. Man, I don't love this trade. It's got to run for me. Ah, I knew that was coming. Fuck. Knew it was coming. You should introduce the volume variable. Your confidence score would be much more precise. Krobin, how do you know I don't have volume factored in here, my friend? How do you know that? Yeah. Nice, Ty. That's great work. Great work, Ty. I on my funded futures account, I think I went over the profit target by $44, and they won't give me they won't let me pass, and I can't. I think I have to reset the entire account. I can't even trade it again. I don't know. They have the worst fucking support ever. It is terrible. They're really pissing me off, and the accounts are expensive, and so you have to. I'm pissed. My funded futures is pissing me off. Um, Bad signal here. New signal comes through with a long but low confidence, so we'll wait. Shorter with higher confidence, so we'll wait. Yeah, they piss me off. And yeah, one eye, just the way it is sometimes. Kurobin, yeah, how do you know I don't have volume in here? What makes you think I would tell ChatGPT to give me a signal and not include volume, my friend? That'd be a very bad assumption. It'd be a terrible assumption. Now, the way you read volume is a different game. The way you read volume is a different game. Okay, see right there. Ultimately, what we're looking to do, what I'm looking to do or hoping to do is that in the future, hopefully end of this week, with just machine learning, a lot of this stuff won't even matter. Like what comes through as a signal won't matter as much as what price is doing. We'll just be matching like, okay, this signal is the same as this signal, is the same as this signal, is the same as that one. And then that one was good, that one was bad. And so we'll get signals that really we're just looking for price pattern and really signal recognition. So all the data that gets sent that comes through will be matched. So hell of a signal there, pretty good signal there, bad signal there. So my 75% are pretty good. This one wasn't great, but they're usually pretty solid. So if I had just traded those, if I just traded the 75%, we'd be doing okay, I think. We'll have to just wait and see though. Here's my distribution. We haven't had an hour of that I've seen yet where we had more long signal than shorts. Now some of that is just bias from GPT, which you need to get rid of, but a lot of it just is like, hey, we don't have the 10-year down 1%. Nice. Why is the 1 year up 4.1? What is that about? Do you know why? Unless I don't. I don't know why. It just they won't. It doesn't say I need to make more. Like on Topstep, if you make more than the profit goal in a day, it'll just say, hey, you need to make this much extra. They don't even have that. You contact support and they're like, well, did you break a rule? And it's like, no, it doesn't say anything. So we'll mark these for now. It's just so weird. I don't know what that's about. It's so weird. And the support is terrible. It's $3,044 is what I'm up in that account for a 50K to pass. And everything looks good. I don't know, I can't explain it. It's really bothering the hell out of me though. I'm like, why would you not why would you what is this? 70% was good there. So very strange. All right. As we can see, we're inside of our range here. So how big are these candles, by the way? From top to bottom, 16, 17 points, 16 points. So our ATR is pretty low. Yeah, ATR is pretty low. We got a short signal here. I'll take a sell right there. My stop is way too high. I just gave away all my profit. That's great. That's what you want to do. Fuck. All right, we also know better than to not trade inside of this. So some of this is refining my own precision. Like, what the fuck are we doing? Now, the idea would be that regardless of what choppiness we're in, we should be able to get independent signals that catch all these. So this would be a long, this would be a short, this would be short, or it doesn't really matter. It's probably be a short, short, long, long, short. The choppiness shouldn't actually matter. We should be able to read this data and have enough data to know that, okay, even if we are chopping, there is a better signal. This is a much better long than short, right? That's all we really care about is each individual candle every minute and then every 2 minutes. We just look at like, hey, what direction makes more sense? So I've got a short here as well. God, I don't love this. Let's just be patient here. Let's see. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking this one. We're gonna wait. I don't care what happens here. I'm waiting. ChatGPT is known to be early, which is fine. But I'm gonna wait on this one. So far, you're a bad signal. Both of you guys are. And we'll just see what happens. Extrapolate volume by using MACD or similar indicators. MACD stinks, by the way. MACD sucks. And that's not my, can you add the open positions to show on chart? Please, could you add the open positions to show, Shruti? There aren't any open positions. Alpha futures. Unless I will look into it. I'll write it down. Oh, wow. Of course ChatGPT ended up being right. Stupid AI. Of course it's right. Now you're running late, aren't you? These are good signals. Like these are just like this is really good stuff. Wow. Can't believe that actually worked out. See, this is what I mean. Okay. So ChatGPT goes sell signal here, which is a much better signal than going long. And then it gives me a long right here. This is what I'm referring to. Like this is perfect. It needs to be more accurate and more consistent. But there's no way that the AI should know. It gave me a short right here, which was a not good signal. But the AI goes short here, long here. Like we should be getting all of these correct, or as many as we can at least. That's the goal. It's not necessarily like, hey, there's choppiness, we shouldn't trade. I have to do that because I don't trust the AI. It's not good enough yet to recognize choppiness and look at, okay, maybe we should flip our positions here as price begins to kind of ping pong back and forth. But it should get good enough so that we understand, okay, we are in choppiness and we're looking not necessarily at a trend. We're looking at every candle being an individual. So like you're not good. So far you're good. So there's just some weird stuff that we got to get figured out. But the signals I would say on average are about 55 to 60% accurate. And so if we could improve that ourselves, that'd be awesome. So I trade about mid 70s, 74 to 76. We've had some 80s up there. We had an 86 and 88% day. We almost had a 90% day once, I think. We do pretty good with these signals, but that's because I know how to read them. Ultimately, I want these just like you log onto your chart, you pull up the website tells you what to do, you just take the trade. You don't have to read anything else. That's the goal. That is the goal. Now we're getting to VWAP, so we'll take a second here. We'll just kind of wait, see what happens, and then we'll take the next trade. Yeah, VWAP stinks, my friend, but NS said alpha futures. I'll look at it. We're getting to the point where you might just do self-funding at this point. As we get this thing to be better, I'll just do self-funding. There's no reason for me not to once it's good enough. Other than like trying to scale up and use multiple accounts. That's like the only downside to using your own money is, well, not really. If I have a $50,000 account, when the market's open, I'll be able to use like 48 contracts if I want to. Like I have enough margin to do that. It wouldn't be responsible, but I could do it if I wanted to. Let's see. See what this one turned into being. If I wanted to use all those contracts, I absolutely could. Okay. I've got myself a sell signal here and a long, which is much more confident. I'll take that sell. Let me just see what happens here. Oh, placed in it, blew through it. Another one? Nah, wait. You guys both can't be wrong, technically. You see. It's called the short correct and the long incorrect. Got a short here with low confidence, so we'll wait. VWAP up there, we see that. Exactly. Me, myself, and I finding everybody. No, I've thought about that though. I've thought about that. Yeah, I've earned it. That's hella funny. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Well, that was a bad signal now, wasn't it? Okay, running away from VWAP here. So ChatGPT liked to short up here before, which was fine. It just took a little bit longer. That's okay. We ended up getting it, which is good. So let's see what comes next. All right. Big drop off here. I would like to see price test kind of that 60 to 70 level in here. Remember, price has that level at 700. That one's important. We'll keep that in mind. Always a psychological level there. Price loves even numbers. Let's get here and let's just see what we have. Okay. New signal. Long. I don't love that. Looks right though. So far it's good. Maybe it'll turn into bad. I don't know. So far it's good. So far. I looked into doing my own like funding. Like, what if I did a like my own prop firm? How would I do it? I'm not sure. Really not sure. Definitely need to be heavily capitalized. That's for sure. It's interesting because if you were to set up like your own prop firm, like you would be incentivized to get people to blow up their accounts because you would need to make. That's how you'd make money. The journey of getting traders to like live funded accounts where you're earning 10-15% of their 10 to 20% of their profits, that's such a long process. It's such a long journey, and we are above VWAP. Let's see what price wants to do with this here. We got two sell signals. Man, I don't love this at all. Got a bad feeling about this one. Place you like right there. Maybe I shouldn't have had a bad feeling. I don't know. Okay. Bad feeling has been alleviated. Good trade here. Oh no. Upper $100. Okay, so we're doing a little better. It's not a good signal technically, but I'm scoring that she does a good signal. That was fucking perfect. Just a little stupid AI. On Friday, I made like a small tweak. Technically, these are bad signals. I made a small tweak to the calculations, and it's been decent today. New signal here says long. Let's just jump in that shit and let's just see if price can run for us. Why would you start stuttering where I entered? How about that? Like, go away. Bro, why would you stop stuttering where I entered? Like, you'd find my entry like, we should start dancing. Like, for what? Pop. Go back to where you were. See that spot up there? Go there. About $14. Great signal. I captured 0 of it. What an ass. What an ass. So good signal. It took off. We didn't have a chance to really get into it very much. And then by the time we did, it peaked out really. Not a whole lot there. Let's see what this next signal has to give us. Here's our kind of our context to where we are. I've got myself a short signal. I don't love that. I'll take the more confident long. And price is gonna hunt this thing and catch it. Yeah, we're down 160 in this account. Shit, 170, 170 in this account. Okay. So more confident long, less confident short, and the short was correct. All right. So we kind of have price doing its little dance right here. We're around VWAP. So hopefully we can get price to extend. I really don't care which way it goes. I would like to see price maybe run up some more and get back going the right direction, going up. But if we can't get that, we can't get that. That's fine. Hmm. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream and subscribe. Always helps. New signal says long. Is that what I want though? I'm gonna wait. I'll skip the low confidence signals here. I'll wait. Interesting. Typically, GPT is pretty good at catching something like this. Now, this signal, holy cow, it's going to have to move for it to be accurate because that was a really good short. So 9 points there. All right, it was a good signal. Okay, I'll score you good. Ton of drawdown there, but I'll score it. Okay, new signal here. I've got myself a pretty confident short. Let's see how confident, how good it is. Small victory there. Ended up saving us some money, but okay. We're down 154. 15 bucks. Can this turn into a good signal? Right now, that short's pretty good. That short works. 9 points here, 7 points there. Okay, if this holds, then this long signal is a bad signal. Need you to get like right there. Okay. Bad signal it is. Okay, 5 seconds to our next signal. Little 3, 2, 1 action here. Let's see what we got. I got myself a low confidence long. God, I don't love that. I'll sit this one out. All right, and I'll be right back. Let me use the restroom really quick and get some more water. One second here. All right, we are back. Let's see. Take that short right there. Let's see if we can get catch price kind of running down. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully our next signal is a short as well. That would help the cause. Man, you're gonna dance like that on me? Thank you. $50 on that one. Go another short right there. Let's see if we can catch this candle kind of moving below that low it just made here. There it is. Holy cow. Nice. Hell of a signal there. Good stuff there. All right. J Stores. What's good, my friend? What is going on? New signal here. Short. Wait for it. Sell. Stop. Oh man, this one could burn me pretty good, I think. Hopefully price can reverse. Tough. Down 112, 117. Okay. Bad signal there. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see us recognize some of these reversals. Now, sometimes, like there should be a recognition that our candle closed here and our low was here. There should be some acknowledgement of that. That's helpful, and knowing that price may not actually continue to go down. But I think we just waited. We waited. We weren't patient enough for that one. We had price roll up, and then this is like that's when we should be getting in. When price like makes a nice drop down, that's when we should be getting into these trades. Okay, another short here. Pretty good fill there actually. So sell right there. Stop up here, and then we'll let price kind of dance its way. Let's just see what happens here. Okay. Trying to give it room because I want to see price run, but I think what I did is I fucked it up and didn't take profit when I should have, or didn't take a break even when I should have. Okay. I was given a little bit of grace. That's good. Whoa. Okay. Smart move by me, I think. Wow. Holy cow. Boom. Puts us back up 223. We're catching some monstrous trades right here. Very nice. Good work, ChatGPT. Great work. Okay. 30. So you were good. You were good. I like this signal here. So this is kind of what I mean is we've got a reversal here, a reversal signal from ChatGPT. I love that. I don't care that if it's right or wrong. I love the fact that we're finding these and we're catching them. That I really appreciate. And the reason I like it is because if we can get these to be more accurate, like if I can make this thing more confident, like 85%, like boom, we would take a long off of this down here, and look how much money we'd have made. It'd be sick. So that I do really enjoy. So new signal here, short, and I think it's gone. We can go sell right there. Let's just see what happens here. Stop. Okay, that's why we don't do that. Back down to $14. We're like back and forth in this account. As we shouldn't be. That was arrogance on my end. Sorry. Bad trade there. Do I need to get my? I think it's gonna reach. Keep going here. keep going here. My computer died, so I cannot see you guys' chats, although I will be grabbing a charger here in just a second. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Short. Stop right there. Price just kind of sitting. I'm kind of annoyed that we got such a bad fill. Let's see if we can get this thing to move for us. Bro, just go. Thank you. Okay, up 140. Hopefully we can not give away this profit again. Keep growing this account. We're trading, I would say, pretty poor. It's probably the poorest we've traded while being profitable. Not trading very well here. All right. I'll get my charger in just a second, and I'll have our chat up and running here. Let's see. What does this candle want to do? ChatGPT likes to short again. Of course you do. We'll wait. All right, let me grab my cord. I'll be right back. 1 second. Sorry for all the ditching. Actually, do I want to short this? Let's go short. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get price to roll and run for us here. Kind of like the price action. Can it hold? There we go. There we go. Good. Boom. All right, nice trade there. 1033. Hell of a signal. And all right, get my charger in a second. Sorry, I'll go dark on this for a little bit. Nothing is gone. See if it'll keep running for us. I can't believe I missed out on so much of this candle and we're still gonna make like $100. Wow. This is insane. That entire candle was sick. Good night. Bad sick. Why would you go? All right, so I got my 2-minute calling for reversals. I like that. I don't love the signal, but I like that it's aggressive like that. All right, chat. We might just have to wait for me to get these. Get the charger. Should be long enough though. Let's see. Okay. New signal coming here in 3, 2, 1. Ski. Let's see what we got. Short with nice confidence. Okay, kind of got it in at the open price, which is decent. Let's see if we can get price to run a little bit for us, and then we can. There we go. Nice. All right, let me go grab my charger really fast, and I'll be right on back. We're back. Sorry. Chat is going to be back here in just a second as well. All right. So you guys are bad. And tell me why. What encouraged you to do this? Short at 70%. No, we'll wait. So why are you not recognizing GPT specifically? Gotta go text, bro. All right, well, all right, Ty. Peace, brother. Was short from, I got out at 97. Nice, Jay Soares. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Is my computer tripping or what? Oh my gosh. It's got this like. Thank you, Calbay. Okay. So that's also bad. Are we gonna get some longs here or what? New signals? Short again. Two shorts. Guys, what are we doing? Got this nasty bias here and I don't love it. Don't love it. Well, wait. Let's see here. Okay. Let's open this up again. That's better. All right. So not a bad signal. It just was super, super early. And if we could find the peak of these candles, then we'd be okay. But we didn't. We weren't able to. All right. Long. Now you want to go long? See, now I don't trust it. See, what the fuck? Why would you do that? Why would you be so late? I know you're disconnected. Now we're back. All right. So bottom here. I'll call the bottom like right there. Now, one thing about price action that's easy to understand is when you get these big long wicks like this, price is going to try and retest it. Okay, price is going to try and retest this low wick here. Now, maybe on this candle, I doubt it, but maybe in the next candle or two, the price will try and retest this spot right there. Okay, and so we need to keep that in mind because if we do get price to run some more, that 628 level could be a meaningful one for us. So we've got ourselves a new signal here coming in. Right now, actually, I got a long. Why do I have a long? Why do I have two longs? Short, there we go. See if I can catch some of this. Nice. Here we're at 533, small profit there, nothing to speak of. Wish I would have gotten in earlier on that candle, but not bad for 30 seconds of candle. Okay. Okay. 53. Okay, 5 seconds here. Short again. I'll go sell right there. Nice spot. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, we're up 600 bucks on this account. We're doing a really good job of trading some of this choppiness here. We've done a great job. Okay. We're in the chop. So let's see if what ChatGPT likes here. I've got myself a short signal. Another one? Wow. Okay. I don't doubt. I just question. That's fine. 80 bucks on that one. We're up 679. Good stuff there as well. Really appreciate you guys liking the live stream and subscribing if you're new. Really appreciate that. We're growing quite steadily here. Growing quite steadily. We got a lot of interest on the pilot program of maybe you guys testing some of this out here. So that'll be interesting to kind of roll out when it's ready. I would do it now, but I just don't think it's ready. I don't think I like it enough to release it yet at this present stage. It's pretty good, as you guys can see. I have a lot more winning days than losing days. I make a lot more money than I lose. But I think there are just some things where if I can improve it just like 5% more, that's a terrible fucking signal like this. Like, we'd be in really, really good shape. So, some refinement to be done. All right. Some refinement to be done. Okay, I actually get why it called for a long here. You can look at price action and just say like, okay, we've made a low and now we're rolling back up. That's actually not a bad signal. It just isn't like, it's not the best signal. The better signal would be a short, but I understand why it gave me that. 44 gives me a long and a short. I have much more confidence in the short, so I'm gonna take that. Let's just wait to see what happens here. I'm learning from my mistakes here. We're gonna let this thing roll up, which that long signal is incredible. But I want to see this thing pull back. When it starts to really pull back, that's when I'll take my short. Okay, right there is fine. Let's see. Let's see if this works out for me. Nope. We're up 585. Okay. I tried to time it right, didn't work out. I'll stop doing that. We did it like once before and it was a hell of a trade, but it's hard, it's so difficult. Like it's just so hard to catch those the right spot. It's so hard. So we'll just wait those out. The no bottom or very small bottom wick on a green candle or no top wick on a red candle or very small, hard stuff to catch if you don't catch it at the beginning. You're basically praying that it keeps running. 72% short. Okay, this one's going to be tough. See, it's already kind of stopped. Let's just see what we get here. Oh. Okay, we had a chance to place it barely, and it would have probably lost commissions, honestly. So let's just see if we can get another chance at that. I don't think so. Okay, we're trading back down a little bit. We got to be patient. Okay, so we're still in that same range we were before. We were just trading it a little bit better before. All right, so not great there. Not great there. Okay. Keep it rolling here. See if we get a long off of this. I'd be cool with that. I'd be cool with whatever ChatGPT thinks is the best signal. Bye. Okay, stop. Whoa, okay. There we go. Nice. Okay, back up to 561 for today. Oh man, we could have had a little bit more on that one though. Could have had a little bit more on that one. All right, good signal. Good. Going back up to that same level we were just before, this peak right here. Kind of testing that. Remember, on some of these highs and lows, we have to give it. Sometimes you have to give it just a little bit of space. Like we have a probably a 6 or 7 point difference, or maybe like a 3 point difference here. Oh, sorry, maybe just 3 points, maybe just a point. We have to give price a little bit of room to slide around. We know that can happen. Got myself a short signal here. We're going to sit that one out. It's not a good one. Evan, you watch anime? I certainly do not. I have nothing against it. I just don't watch it. No, I have a lot of friends that do, but I do not. I do not. I never really. When I was a kid, it never really hit for me. I don't know what it was. I was into Dragon Ball Z. That was about it. Everything else kind of, I don't know. I just couldn't get into it. That and like wrestling. I don't know. I don't know what it was. I just couldn't get into it. And I didn't even know wrestling was fake. I just wasn't into it. I don't know. When I was a kid. I do now. But all right. So about 5 seconds here for a new signal. Now here's what price is looking like. We zoom out, kind of building back up here. So let's see what we get here. I've got myself a long signal and a short. They're about the same confidence score, so we'll wait those out as well. Long. The goal is that I do not get mismatching 2-minute and 1-minute chart signals. That's the goal. So, over time, whenever we get to the point where we're ready to roll this bad boy out, we should get seamless signals both ways. So, because obviously going short right here might bankrupt you, and going long right here might do the opposite of bankrupting you, make you rich. So we certainly need to make sure that we're being calculated with that. Now I've got my ATR sitting at 17, which is still pretty high. We have a lot of days where 17 is like the max ATR, and we're trading at like 6 and 7 points. So we need to be using like 2 contracts. So still high enough volume for us to make money, as you guys can tell. It's just our big moves are like $200, not 400. That's all. New signal here. Sell. Okay, I'll take it. I'm nervous, but I'll take it. What are we going to do here? Okay. Part of me thinks that my stop got hit and price is really going to run down, but I guess I safely placed my stop enough that it worked out. This isn't a great signal though. It's dancing back and forth. 3 and 4. Really small price action here. Really, really small. I'm going to keep my box there for now. I know price will do something different with it later. My price might come back and test it. And when VWAP is up at 9, that's going to be a crazy pull. 19,700. We know that got a long signal here. I'll go buy if it goes green. We got both actually. So I'll wait. Long right there. Okay, minus 70 bucks on that one. We're at 473. Okay, that's a great signal. That's a bad signal. So we've got price. So this is our new top. We've got price or the VWAP sitting at 19,704. We know that 19,700 is a kind of an even number, so the markets love it, kind of a psychological level, if you would. And so price might just, I don't know if it will, but it could just skyrocket straight to that thing. So we're only 40 points away, so keep that in mind. 39 points away, keep that in mind. It could be the case here coming. Short. I knew you like a short. I knew you would. We'll wait for this thing to get down here before we take another short. Okay, testing that high again. Let's see if price is ready to come down now. Price would have to go to the ground for that thing to be correct. Okay, we'll wait this one out. I wanted it, but I waited it. Yeah, and that's kind of the same way. Nothing against it. It's just not one of my cup of tea. I do have things that I absolutely hated, but anime wasn't one of them. Just like I'd watch it if it was on TV. Like if I was at a friend's house and they wanted to watch it, I'd be like, all right, whatever. But There goes price. Kind of what I was thinking. Give me a long GPT. Give me a long, baby. Long? Stop. Yes, this is what I was hoping for. Man, I didn't get anything out of it though. Up 538. Fuck. So I was hoping for price to give GPT to give me a long. It did. It gave me one long and one short. Don't love that. We gotta figure that out. We so rarely have both of these going in the same direction, which is fine. Price is choppy. But I was kind of thinking that price would just like boom boom and run straight up 13 points. We hit VWAP. That's kind of what I was thinking. Price paused at 695, so definitely don't have as much interest right now in hitting VWAP just yet. But we've had very like annoying but decent price movement. Like this is not bad, even though prices like hasn't moved a whole lot. That's not bad price movement there. We won't mind that at all. 53. Yeah, this is going to be risky. Okay, we're up 544. Good signal there. Got in late and I didn't get much out of it. How are we doing in this account? We've had some shit trades. Holy cow. Oh, okay. Yeah, we traded pretty poorly. We're at 60%. We're up 544 with a 60% win rate. So that's more of like just me being a decent trader. Largest win being 390, largest loss being 230. Like having really good risk management. Price has been really ugly. And so I haven't traded very well in this account. But still managing to be profitable. So that's something. That's something. Okay, I've got myself another long and a short. I'll wait. I know VWAP is like right on the tip of Price's tongue, but I'll wait for it. Even though I think Price could fly through straight through VWAP, I'll wait. I like a long here personally, but whatever. Yeah. Remember that 19,700 level, super strong. We have Price kind of pause right there almost twice. All right, if I mark my little piece here, that's the level right there. And so we got there once, got there twice, and we weren't able to break above. Now, again, I think Price wants to go and smack through VWAP. So let's see. I think a long makes way more sense here. Long. Okay. I actually got a pretty good fill on that. That was surprising. Okay. Come on, stop jumping around, just move. But go up though, not down. Thought's about to get smacked. Yeah. We're up 445 in this account. I was like, oh, damn. Taking ourselves some tremendous L's. But we're trading small, so it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. We're just not getting that nice, like smooth price action that we need to short here. Let's go sell right there. Oh, damn. We got price to really like fudge. We got in way too late. Move. Move. Okay, good. What? Oh, shit. You guys see how fast price is moving? Even my stock can't keep up. There we go. 475, good signal there. Bad one here. Yeah, we got to fix that. That's all. So we rejected getting close to VWAP. We rejected that 700 level that we know price likes to dance at. Any even number price wants to dance at. So that's good. That's interesting. Oh, wow. Okay. Got a short signal here. I don't believe in it. Sorry. It's good so far, though. Oh, man, I should have taken that shit. Damn. I should have taken that bad boy. From open to here is 11, well, 12 and 3/4. It's a pretty good trade there. McB. Well, there's a delay, McB, so make sure you hit live. Make sure you hit live. And then, yeah, I don't know, McB. It shouldn't be that way, but 196, and you're at 199. McB, I'm on a 1-minute chart on NQ. Do you have delayed data potentially? Is your data delayed? Let me know. There are a number of solutions to that. Let's go short right here. Not a great confidence score, but let's see if we take it and see what happens. That's what we want to see. There's that volume back. Nice. We're up 646. Good trade there. My VWAP right now is at, it's right here on Trade-of-8. I use the Trade-of-8 chart. That's the most official one. When my 2-minute and 1-minute chart agree, that's what I want to see. New signal here. Boom, boom, boom. Short. Why? Why do you do this to me? Back to 472. Fudge. Actually, it's probably gonna end up being a good signal altogether. I didn't give enough space. If I had to guess, I think this thing is gonna come down. Well, I did guess. I guess wrong. Rolled up 7 points. I didn't want to take that much heat. I should have. Let's watch this thing jump down if it does. If it doesn't, I'll be surprised actually. Okay. So all in all, a bad signal and not terrible for me to get out of that one with the. Let's see, we got another short. God, I don't know. I don't trust these at all, but okay. Wow. Okay, we're at 573 here. Good. Damn, we had some more. Oh, no. We had more to get. We had so much more to get here. Oh man, we haven't missed one of these in a minute. We haven't missed like a huge gainer in a minute. We got out right here, so we missed out on about 13, 14 points. Man, we haven't missed one of those in a minute. That one stung a little bit. We don't chase them, but that one stung. We got another a long signal here. No thanks. What I think ChatGPT wants to tell me is that there's going to be a reversal here. That's what I think it's trying to tell me, but I think it's just giving it to me as a long signal. Now let's just see what this wick ends up being, because right now it looks like a terrible call. But if it does wick all the way back up to open or near it, then I understand what it was trying to give me. But I don't think that's right. We'll just see here. We'll just see. So we're at 573. Didn't trade as well in this account so far, but we're up. So okay. Building. ChatGPT is getting smarter. It is getting smarter. See, this is kind of what I was assuming. Like we would get a big wick. Now I thought it'd be bigger than that, but it's fine. Okay. Okay, short. I'll go sell right there. Let's see if we can get price to extend. By extend, I mean go down. And by go down, I mean past my entry. There's about $100 here. Yeah. I cannot break away from this 473 amount that I'm up. This is okay. So this is kind of what I assume GPT was trying to tell me. Wick and move up, like we're done going down. That's interesting. It just gave it to me way too soon, if that makes sense. I know these are both good sell signals, but I get what it was saying. It just was early. It was just early. Okay. Get that shit. I don't have time for that. Okay, I've got myself a short. That's just a disgusting. It's a disgusting signal because it wasn't correct. All right, here's price. So we traded away from that 19,700 level. We bounced at 19,657, and we're rolling back up. We're trying. So the question is like, do we get price to finally break above this? We try once, rejected, try again, maybe, or are we ready to come back down? Golden question here. Let us find out. Because we're really just trading this big old range, like top here, bottom here, top here, bottom here. Like we're just kind of range trading, which is good. But we've got a short signal. I'm gonna take this. I think. I'm trying. I wanted to. I've got a long here. Okay, that's a good one. That's a bad one. We'll wait. Okay. Well, that certainly doesn't help our cause. All right, so here's what price is up to. Heading to that 700 level, heading to VWAP. Good. We might just wait this next candle too because there's no point in trying to trade this if price is going to try to blast through VWAP. We'll get real wiki here. So let's see. Real wiki. All right. I've got myself a short signal, which I think I know what this means. But let's just see. I think this is more of a warning, like where price is probably going to reverse down here, which I'm cool with. I'm cool with that. It's just not worth taking the trade yet. My gut wants me to go short right now. It really does. I'm not going to do it, but it does. It wants me to hit that button, hit that sell button. Oh, that looked good. All right, I'll take it. Fine. Oh, okay. That was stupid. I don't know why I gave into that impulse to do that. Damn, I really thought I was going to catch this one though. Here and then let price just fall down. I really thought I was going to catch that. Wait for the next signal. Damn it. All right. Good thing the ATR is super low. That would have cost me a fortune if it wasn't. All right, we're at 700 level here. We're like right at it, so that's fun. Let's see what price wants to do here. So we're ready to roll back up. We've got a long here. I'll take the long. Let's see what happens. Boom. Boom, there we go. Back up to 485. Good signal there. We run and we run through VWAP, which is good. Now, can we hold above VWAP is the real question here. So this is really our top right there. Let's see. Price, are we back green? VWAP being like basically green versus red on the cues, it's quite interesting. The VWAP kind of decides whether you're up or down. Yeah. Account management, bro, for sure. Bitcoin games for sure. For sure. Once we've got profit, I'm okay taking some chances, especially because the ATR is low. We technically are using way less size. That thing is gone. I want to really catch that. So so once you guys understand something, the ATR, when it's lower, and you use, so if I'm using the same size, I'm using one NQ contract when the ATR is at 27, and I'm using the same one contract when ATR is at 14, I'm using less risk. And the reason I know that, or the reason that's the case, is because if every candle is 27 points here, and it's 20 points per, or $20 per point, and the ATR is at 15 or 14, and it's $20 per point, I'm risking about almost half. So this would be the same as me going down to like 5 micros. It's almost trading one NQ contract here, and then now I'm trading 5 micros here. It's like that's almost the same calculation. So when you have the ATR where it is, which is low and trending, it's going up a little bit, but like it's low compared to where it was before, and you're using the same amount of risk, you're technically risking less, which is why the trades that I win look smaller because they actually are. All right, new signal here. I've got a long. I'm gonna take the long over the short. I want to be a part of the party. Let's see if I get access. Let's see. Was I on the VIP list is the question. Fuck it. We'll place it. We were. There we go. We're up 615 in this account. Nice. I think that's good. Hold on, a message. I'll read you. Got a sell signal here? No. Oh, wow. That's probably pretty good. The message, I'm trading 3 micros with 2K live account. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I think you, may account management, bro, reply. Bitcoin games. What are you talking about? The message, yes, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Just keep an eye on the ATR because it might make more sense for you to risk a little more. Like you got a 14 ATR on NQ. I'm assuming it's NQ. Could be something different. But if you were trading 3 micros before, if you were trading 3 micros 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago, and you're still trading 3 now, then you're risking less. And so you could actually bump up your risk a little bit. And just keep that in mind because with 3 micros, you're going to be trading and making probably not as much money as you could be, but your commission is going to stack up. So if you add risk, that could assist with that. Let's see, we've got ourselves a long signal here and a long signal again. Go buy right there, the stop, and let's just see if price can run for us. It's trying, but it isn't succeeding. Stop is at the open. We got hit. I'll take $40 there. Still a pretty good signal though. It's a good signal until it's not. And there it goes. Okay, so bad signal here, bad signal here. So I got kind of a warning right here. It just didn't come true until the next candle. That price is ready to run back to VWAP. How much account? Bitcoin games? 50K eval. You see that right there. 50K eval, my friend. All right. Let's see what we got. New signal here in 3, 2, 1. Got a trade evade, and let's just see what we have. Short. Take it. Oh man, I knew that was going to be the case. I knew that had the chance to be the case here. That we could get price to like really run up straight up first before moving back down. Oh, I knew that. I knew we had the potential for that to happen. I just didn't. I wasn't positioned correctly for that. I should have waited a little longer. Because if we put a stop or just a horizontal right here, like it could be perfect. I don't know if it will be, but like that shit could be perfect. We put our stop up here and we just let price dance. Ah. All right. All right. We're trading pretty, I would say we're trading pretty poorly in this account. We're up 382, so not terrible, but it has not been good. It has not been a good display of trading inside of this account. We certainly have better that we could have had. Okay, I have a long position here and a short. I'm gonna take the short. Okay, and that is why. Oh man, we're up 4 at 28. Good signal there, bad signal here. Okay. Looks like price might be ready to come back down to VWAP. I don't know. We'll see. Man, if this thing hits that candle low, I'm be sick because we missed out on that, but we didn't, which is good. That's why we use a trail. Nice. So we weren't terrible here. Now price is really chopping, so here's our new bottom. If it breaks this high, I'd be shocked. Be shocked. Okay, on that candle. I wouldn't be shocked if it did it in general. Short. No bueno for me. Oh, I wanted to do it. We have that same level, this level strong as shit. 736, strong as hell. Great level. I really wanted to pull the trigger on that, but I couldn't. But I could not. I was close. So again, we still have price kind of dancing. Let's move this one up just a tad. Okay, you can see that. Luciano, what's good? What's going on, my friend? Happy to have you. All right, 5 seconds here. Okay. Short. Why are you giving me shorts? Okay, maybe I see why. That was a crazy signal, GPT. Holy cow. Okay, we didn't make too much on that one. Like 50 bucks. All right, well, we can wrap this one up here. Let's just get rid of you and put this right there. All right, zoom way the fuck out. All right, solid day today. Ended up making, I think, about just over $1,000, so solid. Let's look at our results inside of this account. It wasn't pretty at all. Damn, we're getting our ass waxed. 59% win rate. Man, that's really low compared to where we typically are. Decent account management. We finished up 468. Solid account management though. Like we handled our account properly. Our low of the account was 230. Our high was 390, or is 390, I guess. Whatever. So like not bad, but like we traded the choppiness. And what I would say for today is that we traded the choppiness a lot more effectively inside of this third account. First account was good, second account was bad. So first account up 14, second account down 1,000, third account up 468. So overall about $1,000 of profit. So solid, but left a little bit on the table. A couple bad trades. We had a break even, I think. So we like to be in that 70% win rate area. And today just didn't give us that, which is fine, but we still came out ahead. So 59% win rate, and we still came out profitable. We are certainly building and making a winning machine. We gotta refine some things. Super solid day today. Really appreciate you guys tapping in, and we will be back. Well, maybe we can trade this little spot here. I have to use my solid sessions. Appreciate it, Storm. Let's see if we can trade this little short right here. I have to open up my computer though. I have to like set up my screen again. 730. Come on, baby. Okay. 16. We have a new signal here in about 30 seconds. Let's just see if we can catch ourselves a nice little short back to VWAP. One last trade for the day. Let's see what we got. This almost certainly turns into a loss for me every time I do this, but whatever. Okay, 15 seconds. We'll get rid of you. Actually, we'll keep you on there because you might. If this thing closes above this green line, I won't take the trade. If it does closes below, then we'll take the trade. Okay, trade of 8, and then let's see what we got here. I got myself a new signal that says short, sell, stop, and yeah, a little bit. Up to 89 for today instead of 3 or 4. Yeah, it never works. My last trade of the day never works. I gotta stop doing that. All right, well, there you go. Nice little L to end the day. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll probably start trading this account tomorrow that has a little bit of profit in it. And we'll try to run it up another 1,500 bucks like we did the last one, and then we'll keep it rolling. I will see you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Stay safe, trade safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.